Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Lunenburg is a historic town on Nova Scotia's South Shore, located about 100 kilometers southwest of Halifax. It sits on a sheltered harbour along the Atlantic coast and is one of the most recognizable communities in the province, known for its colorful waterfront, maritime heritage, and well-preserved colonial layout. The town has a population of around 2,200 people, but it serves as a hub for a much larger surrounding region in Lunenburg County. While small in size, it attracts thousands of visitors each year due to its history, architecture, and active fishing industry. The wider county population is over 40,000, with Lunenburg playing a central role in tourism and services. Lunenburg was founded in 1753 by foreign Protestants brought in by the British to help settle Nova Scotia. The town was carefully planned in a grid layout that still exists today. Because of its unique preserved architecture and continuous use as a fishing port, Old Town Lunenburg was designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1995. The economy of Lunenburg is still closely tied to the ocean. The town is home to one of Canada's most famous working fisheries, including the Atlantic Fisheries Museum area and the modern fish processing and export industry. Shipbuilding also remains important, with the Lunenburg shipyard known for building and maintaining vessels such as the Blue Nose 2. Tourism is another major industry, supporting shops, restaurants, galleries, and seasonal employment throughout the summer months. The Blue Nose schooner, launched in 1921, became one of Canada's most famous sailing vessels and a symbol of Nova Scotia. It was both a fishing boat and a racing schooner, winning international competitions and becoming a national icon. Its legacy continues through the Blue Nose 2, which operates as a sailing ambassador and tourist attraction today. Housing in Lunenburg has become increasingly in demand in recent years. Average home prices in the town and surrounding area generally range from about $400,000 to $700,000 Canadian dollars, with waterfront and heritage homes often selling for significantly more. Demand has increased as more people look for coastal properties in Nova Scotia. The architecture of Lunenburg is one of its defining features. The town is known for its brightly colored wooden buildings, steeply pitched roofs, and narrow streets that follow the original 18th century plan. Many of these buildings have been carefully preserved, giving the town a consistent historic character that is rare in North America. Today, Lunenburg remains a blend of working port and tourist destination. Fishing boats still operate from the harbor, while visitors walk the waterfront and explore museums, shops, and historic streets. The balance between industry and tourism gives the town a unique rhythm throughout the year. Overall, Lunenburg stands as one of the most important historic towns in Canada. Its long connection to the sea, its preserved architecture, and its ongoing fishing industry make it both a living community and a cultural landmark on Nova Scotia's South Shore. Thanks for watching!